Hello, everyone. So for math this week, we're going to be looking at something called finding the mystery number. Ooh. So when we look at addition or subtraction sentences, like if we look at a traditional addition sentence, so that might be something like 5 plus 5 equals, and then we have to figure out the total. Or a subtraction sentence like 12 take away 7 equals what? And that's, a very traditional way that we look at addition and subtraction sentences. One of the problems with these, though, is it creates the idea that what equals means is this is the answer. And that's not what the equal sign means. The equal sign means is the same as. Okay? What this is saying is 5 plus 5 is the same as, what is it the same as? 10. And 12 take away 7 is the same as 5, right? That's what equal signs means, is the same as. And once we understand that, we suddenly are able to use addition and subtraction sentences to help us find a mystery number. Let me show you what I mean. So let's look at an addition sentence where we write 6 plus a mystery number equals 10. Now, some of you might be jumping ahead and thinking, oh, wait, I know what that is. But let's look at how we can figure that out. How do we find out what is that mystery number? 6 plus something is the same as 10. So how many more is that 6 going to go to get to 10? Now, we can use strategies like a counting on or a number line. One that I like to use is these Cuisenaire rods. These things are really, really neat. So here is my 10 block, okay? And here, and we see these can be I have all these different numbers here, but I'm going to use my 6 block. So here's my 6. I'm going to line it up so they're starting in the same spot. And I can see I've got some space to go there. I've got a little bit ways to go before I can get to 10. Now let's see. Do you think 9 will fit? Let's try. Let's put 9 in there. Whoa! That's way too long. Look how much further that went. That doesn't work. All right. Oh, let's try. That's a small space. 3 is pretty small. Should we try 3? Let's see. It's close, but I see there's a little bit left to go. So 3 doesn't work. Which number do you think is going to work? Oh, 4. Let's give that a try. 6 plus 4. Look at that. So look at that. We found our mystery number. 6 plus 4 was the mystery number, is the same as 10. Now, I know what you're going to say. Mr. Fisher, I don't have Cuisenaire rods at home. You know what? Most people don't. So let's think about what can we do? Well, if you have things like Lego, you could actually build your own Cuisenaire rods. You can build your 10 out of 10 of the same pieces, and then build your 9 out of 9 of the same pieces, and so on and so forth. But if you don't have Lego, don't worry, because we can actually use counters the same way that we are using these rods. So let's figure out another mystery. So actually, let's do the same one. So actually, how about I'm going to make it 7 plus another mystery number equals 10. All right, we have to find that mystery number. So first of all, I'm going to build that 10. Let's look at what 10 looks like. Just like I did with that Cuisenaire rod, I'm going to put my 10 on the top. And 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And okay, and I want to see, and I know my 7's going to be here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that I'm lining them up so that they are matching all the way. Want them to match. Now, what do I see? What is that empty space? How many fit in that empty space left over? Look at that. 1, 2, 3. 3 fit in that empty space. 1, 2, 3. So I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. That was my mystery number. And we can do this also with subtraction. So let's say I was doing 12. Take away mystery number equals 7. So let's use that same space to help us figure it out. So we know we got 10 at the top. So let's take 2 of these and put these up here. So now we've got 12. Whew, that's a long line. All right, so 12, and what's my letter? 7. So I'm going to put my 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And again, let's look at that empty space. How many are in that empty space that's left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that's right. 5 fit in that empty space. 3, 4, 5. So 12, take away 5 was the mystery number, equals 7. And that is how we can use either counting rods or counters to help us to find the mystery number in addition sentences or subtraction sentences. And what this is all about is about how, and remember, my students will know we keep talking about how these numbers are like a puzzle and how all those pieces fit together, and about how we can see that if I had 12 and 7 and 5 together, we can see how all those numbers fit together. 12 equals 7 plus 5. 12 and 5 equals 12 take away 7. 7 equals 12 take away 5. All of these numbers fit together. And once we understand how all those numbers fit together, it makes it so much easier for us to be able to answer those questions quickly about our addition questions, subtraction questions. Those all are going to come so easily because we understand how all these numbers fit together. So, at home, I'd like you to give a try to solving some mystery number questions with your brother, your sister, somebody at home. Have them come up with a mystery number question for you and see if you can solve it. And then take a picture of your work, show how you solved it, and send it to your teacher. Have a great time, everybody, and have a great week. Bye-bye.